So this is down this bank.
Ahora vamos por ahí por Cantero hasta llegar.
Sí, I leave you all.
Te va cayendo agua.
This rain has come down. I enjoy it.
En vez de dar toda la vuelta, nos vamos directamente a la de 10 que nos paramos, ¿vale?
Oh my God! What's going on Bldg 28? I want to spectate. See, what is he still doing? He's changing the lift. I want to spectate. What you will be doing? You're changing my like a lift, my like fashion lift. Where's the lift? The lift is not working. The lift takes up the first floor. Good. Lift still takes up the first floor. Thanks a lot. Stupid orders. Now because of you, I want to take that lift. I'm filming it. I don't want you changing my own lift.
¿Tú eres español?
Leave me. You're going down with the lift. Thanks a lot. No going. Thank you. No going.
Todavía cae agua. ¿Quieres que te abra el paraguas?
No. Because yes. The lift when we go to take it to the first floor. First building is for getting the lift downwards. This no, let's go the lift downwards. This one, and the other ones. But 76 is the finish. Oh my God! Well, downwards lots of lifts. Yay! Building is very nice. The lift is nice. It's incredible. This is a stem. Well, this is a protective rain.
No cae un agua brava, un agua fuerte no cae. Como aquel día que nos mojamos, ¿te acuerdas? Nos mojamos los zapatos.
A big record of the day the rain no come down. So if you want to see the videos of the rain once around 10 floors building, click on my channel and visit there and see the part 1 towards 10. So there's only 10 parts only for this room. For now, enjoy this second rain video. So this is come down, no goes up of level. When we we're getting ready. So
no te comas los mocos, guarro.
So this is the most annoying. Oh, so pulling.
Guarro.
Here we are in the ground floor.
Los mocos.